Hey guys, it's David with Great Choice Audio Video. Now this video is going to be a little bit different because this is a repair on a Seura Hydra indoor waterproof TV. Now we were installing this TV in an enclosure where the tile was actually supposed to be cut just beyond the lip of our enclosure, and evidently it was a little too far, and as we were pushing it into the enclosure, it actually, for the friction of the sides being too tight, actually shattered the screen. So we were like, wow, what? Now we gotta replace the whole TV, but we don't. Seura actually, which is really cool, makes a replacement glass, whole frame, that'll be waterproof on the TV. Didn't know you could even do that, so we called them, let them know what's going on, and they said, yeah, we'll send you a replacement faceplate, which is a whole new glass. Super cool. Now let me show you the broken one, if I can keep the glass from falling. But as you can see, that's pretty bad. It shattered all over the place. And like I said, when it happened, we just sat there and went, oh my. And it was just being stuck on the sides and trying to pull it out. And it didn't even go in the enclosure halfway. So anyway, I want to show you just how this can be repaired or replaced. Try to keep the glass from falling off here. Try to find a soft surface there. So it's got 4 little nuts on the back of this thing. I'm going to take these off. But while I'm doing this, if you don't know anything about Seura, they do make all kinds of waterproof TVs for outside, totally waterproof. Nice thing about Seura's outdoor TVs, they actually have a 2-year warranty, and they're made for outdoors. I know some of you guys think you could put your regular TV out there, and we see it all the time, but there's just certain places outside I would not put a TV because of moisture, getting wet. But again, depending on where you live, if it's getting too hot, too cold, a normal TV is not made for that. So we hear all the time, oh, outdoor TVs are so expensive, but you know, it just depends on where you're placing it. And you like replacing a TV every year, or just see how lucky you are. Now this one's an indoor TV, and what's fancy about it is it's totally waterproof, and but it's designed to go in a backsplash in a kitchen, you know, around cooking areas and whatnot. It's also designed to go in a shower, totally waterproof. So if you think you need to be watching something in the shower or right above your nice tub while you're soaking, watch a movie or watch what's on the news or whatnot, then you can do that too. A typical regular TV, especially if you have a nice steam shower, it's going to not last very long because they're not sealed. And regular TVs do not like water or moisture. So that's where these TVs, these Hydra TVs, really come in handy. And they're flush. So they're not taking any space off a cabinet, a wall, because they're going flush in the wall or in tile or whatever the surface is. So you don't have to worry about a mount or a bunch of wires sticking off the back or hanging down or anything like that. Also, what's nice about these TVs is they have custom frames, custom colors. You know, it's not just white or black. If you're doing some nice tile that you're trying to either match a tile or look the part in the area that it's in, there's tons of different choices on frames. And as you can see here, me changing this faceplate, there are different frames that you can change out and add later, if you change the colors or the tile later. All right, think I finally got all 4 of these little bitty old bolts. So I can get them all out. Okay, so hopefully we can just lift this bad boy off. Yep, so it comes off just like that, and then there's a board. Okay. Well, okay, looks like we'll have to get a screwdriver and mount that. So obviously, this is my first time doing this, so I want to share with you guys what it entails. But as you can see, I don't know if you can see that or not, but this is the actual TV. TV is just fine. It's just the glass, the faceplate that was shattered, and we get to replace. So I'm gonna pause for just a second, be right back with a screwdriver, get this puppy out, and then we'll get this whole thing changed over. So we'll be right back. All right, so here's the new glass, and it's just a sheet of plastic just to protect it, so it's not really cracked. Kind of looks bad probably in the view of the camera, but it's perfectly brand new glass. So we're gonna set that on the nice, clean, soft surface there, and let's grab this piece, and we're going to screw this little board down. All right, there we go. Yeah, there's a little wire coming off this board that goes to this little sensor in the front. It's not very long, so you can't keep these 2 pieces too far apart. All right, finally got these going. Make sure they're nice and tight. There we go. Okay, so now gently want to make sure we're oriented right. So yep, this part goes towards the top, kind of angles in, and then let me set this place. Oh, yeah, that's so close. So close, so close. Get this thing angled in correctly. Getting it to line up is a challenge. Let's see here, we'll get it. Get this. There we go. You just got to hold your head right. There we go. So now repeat what we did earlier by putting all these nuts back on. Hold it in. There we go. And I'm probably going to just take this off and get these started this way. Probably better. Yeah. Oh yeah. I tell you what, when this happened, we were pretty worried, because this first time that we've ever had any kind of issues with a screen, cracking like it did. So we had no idea that you could just replace the plate, the front whole glass like this. Good to know. Hopefully, still we don't. It doesn't happen again, but if it does, at least we know now. And we know now how easy it is really to change this plate out. And again, like I said before, people want to change out different color face plates later because they change the tile or change the color of the bathroom or wherever that TV is at. That could be done too. So what other TV can you do that with? Pretty neat. These are a special TV, and we got a video coming up here real soon, guys, that will these be installed. So you'll actually see the finished product if you subscribe. If you haven't subscribed to our channel. hit that notification bell so when we do post, you guys know exactly when we put a new video up. We try to do at least 2 videos every week of what we're doing and all the cool things that we see all the time. If you guys have any questions, comments, please put those down below of anything you'd like to see or about any of the products we've talked about or shown. So, all right guys, so now, boom, brand new TV Seura 19-inch Hydra. So, thank you guys for watching. Not probably the most awesome video when it comes to showing something cool, but as far as, you know, repair and fixing something that we, first of all, didn't think we could, but we can, and changing the faceplate, just another cool product from Seura, the Hydra TVs. So, till next time, we'll see you guys.